Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to turn off sent messages sound on WhatsApp on iPhone. If you find WhatsApp's in-app messages sounds distracting, you can easily turn them off to the app settings. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap the Settings button in the bottom right corner. Then select Notifications. Just simply tap it on in-app and notifications, then toggle the sounds off. Once disabled, WhatsApp will no longer play message sounds while you're actively using the app. You'll still receive notifications, just silently. Just a tip, this won't mute calls or message alerts when you're not inside the app. To mute everything, consider enabling focus mode or muting specific chats. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.